In this video, we're going to talk about resetting the Z height for a tool, the tool length. This has to be done for each tool to ensure that the machine knows where the end of that tool is so it can go to the proper depth of cut. To start with, we're going to go to the offset menu. I'm using tool number 3 right now. So we've got that highlighted. We're going to go to the hand jog, and I like to use the 100,000ths measurement to get it to about 2 inches or so, then switch to the 10,000ths to get it within a half an inch, and then we're going to switch to the 1,000ths to get it within quarter to an eighth of an inch of the piece using the hand jog handle, and we're moving the Z height. Once we get it within that eighth or so, we're going to jump to the 10,000ths of an inch. We're going to use a piece of paper. Remember, standard notebook paper is about 3/1000ths of an inch thick. So we're going to put that under the tool, and we're going to move this down using those small movements until the piece of paper catches. At that point, the tool is 3/1000ths of an inch above the work surface. For most projects that you're going to be doing, that's more than accurate enough. So we'll come over here. We've got tool 3 in the spindle. We're going to go to the tool offset measure, and notice here for tool length we're at -7.86. When I hit the offset measure, that changes to 10.3396. That's the position relative to the home position of the machine. So that tool now knows where the top of that work is. At that point, we want to raise the tool back up. Be very careful here. A lot of people will come in, will hit hand jog, they'll hit Z, they'll spin the handle and go in the wrong direction, driving their tool into the work. That'll damage the tool, the stock, the spindle, and make me a very cross teacher. So anytime you're starting to move it up, make sure you move it very small amounts to make sure you're moving in the right direction. Once you've got it a quarter inch or so away, you can move to the larger and move it on out of position. Then switch to the next tool, reset it for all the tools that you need for your tool path.